Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to modify a block perimeter without redrawing it. To do that, I'll use the Add Surface tool and Increment snaps. Add Surface is a powerful tool that allows you to modify all or part of a block surface by dragging it inwards or outwards along an axis that is normal to the surface. To demonstrate the use of Add Surface tool, I will first extrude a surface 4 meters by 3 meters on this south wall surface here. I will start by selecting the Add Surface tool and change the perimeter type to rectangle. The Increment snap allows you to move the cursor along a particular direction in defined increments. Increment snaps can be set to whole units or fractions, such as 0.1 meters. I will turn on the increment snap here, then set the increment to 1 meter. As I want the mouse to move 4 meters in the X direction and 3 meters in the Y direction, I then left-click on the bottom corner snap point to start the new surface. See how the cursor now snaps easily at 1 meter intervals when I move the mouse along the surface. I then simply move the mouse to the opposite corner of the rectangle shape to define the new surface's 3 meter high by 4 meter wide perimeter and left-click again. I can now move the cursor inwards if it is an inset porch, or move it outwards if it is a porch protruding from my building. I will move it inwards 5 meters and then confirm the change with a left click or pressing the Enter key. Now we have a much more complicated ground floor block, which was created more quickly than drawing and merging multiple blocks. This finishes our quick introduction to using the Add Surface tool and Increment snaps in Designbuilder. If you want to learn more about the topics introduced in this tutorial, including top tips to improve your modelling efficiency, then our geometric operations and complex geometry tools and techniques on-demand online training sessions cover these and other related aspects of Designbuilder. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further information on the specific topics and wider application areas can be found in the comprehensive Designbuilder program help, other tutorials and webinars, and our on-demand training.